You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. American soccer player. If you want to learn more names from soccer, more confusing names, stay tuned. We got many more coming up at the end of the video. Lynn, in African it's pronounced Biyendolo. Biyendolo. Now in English the stress, the emphasis is generally on the do syllable. Lynn Biyendolo. Biyendolo. Lynn Biyendolo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.